Okay. We have the cerebrum, which is the, pink parts, the cerebrum. The cerebral hemisphere, you have one cerebral hemisphere, is one side of the brain, and the other side is another cerebral hemisphere. Then you have the line that divides the brain in half, called the longitudinal fissure. You have gray matter. You can't tell, but the gray matter is up here. The white matter is deep to the gray matter. The lateral ventricles, we have the other video, so it's not there. But you have the corpus callosum, the olfactory nerves, which is this portion. That's the olfactory nerve. See here? Olfactory nerve.
And then we have the olfactory bulb.
Olfactory bulb at the tip.
That's the bum.
And now we have the diencephalon. Here is the seahorse. So basically, it's this entire region. This is a diencephalon, seahorse. And in the seahorse, we have the thalamus, which is the head of the seahorse. And inside the thalamus, we will find the intermediate mass, which are the eyes. And then we move down to the third ventricle. This is the third ventricle down here. And we have the hypothalamus, which is the snout. So here is the hypothalamus. Next we have the optic nerve, which is cranial nerve number 2. And connecting the optic nerve as it crosses over to the other side is the optic chiasm. So it would be here where it crosses. Optic chiasm, optic nerve is cranial nerve number 2. And then we have the pituitary gland, which is this tiny thing right here. This is the pituitary gland. I know, looks like testes. That's how we should remember it. That's the pituitary gland. The mammillary bodies is number 24 right here.
24.
This is the mammillary body. And the pineal body is very small. Number 13 right there. Pineal body.
Yeah.
Next, we have the midbrain, the corpora quadrigemina,
Below the pineal body.
which is this part right here. Corpora quadrigemina.
Is it number 31?
Number 31. And the cerebral aqueduct is between the medulla oblongata and the corpora quadrigemina. So it's this little channel right here is the cerebral aqueduct. Next, we're going to move to the cerebellum, which is this region. You have the arbor vitae, which is that white tree, and the fourth ventricle, which is the triangle-shaped one, which is here. Next, we move on to the pons, which is the chest of the seahorse, and the long medulla oblongata. And that is it for the brain.